Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best iPhone 15 Pro Max Kickstand Cases 2023 you can buy. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features, and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Presenting the top 5 best iPhone 15 Pro Max Kickstand Cases. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has overwhelmed the cell phone market with its noteworthy highlights and smooth plan. Its quick, versatile processor and premium titanium construct make it an amazing powerhouse. Be that as it may, even with its dazzling appearance, shielding your venture from potential damage is critical. That is the reason we have organized a rundown of the main 5 best iPhone 15 Pro Max kickstand cases to assist you with tracking down the ideal harmony between style and insurance. I have prepared this video guide for the 5 best iPhone 15 Pro Max kickstand cases 2023. So let's get started. 5. Casology Capella. With regards to assurance, the casology Capella case has got you covered. Confirmed with military-grade drop-tried principles, this case offers excellent solidness, guaranteeing your gadget stays safe even in the hardest circumstances. The raised lip around the camera gives extra insurance, forestalling scratches and harm to your important camera focal point. Besides, this case is remote charging viable, permitting you to charge your gadget with practically no problem helpfully. It's likewise screen defender viable, giving you the choice to add an additional layer of guard to your gadget's showcase. With its incorporated attractive ring similarity, the case guarantees that your gadget remains safely connected to MagSafe chargers. Express farewell to misalignments and questionable charging associations. This case keeps everything set up, guaranteeing a consistent charging experience without fail. 4. Torres Magnetic Case. Furnished with worked-in 360-degree effect retain airbags and X-Shock 4-corner airbags, this case takes security to an unheard-of level. With up to 3x military-grade assurance, you can certainly involve your iPhone in any circumstance without stressing over possible harm. In addition, this case has gotten official accreditation, enabling you to shield your gadget. In addition to the fact that this case gives prevalent assurance, yet it is likewise intended to be pocket accommodating and upscale. Its new, smooth, conservative, and moderate plan adds a bit of refinement to your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Planned with accuracy patterns and square edges, this case accommodates your telephone cozily, keeping dust from entering the telephone's body and keeping up with its flawless condition. 3. Subcase UB Mag Case. With regards to safeguarding your iPhone, raised bezels assume an essential part. The subcase is outfitted with raised bezels that assist with protecting your touchscreen and camera focal point when your gadget is put face down. This additional security guarantees that your iPhone remains sans scratch, even in ordinary circumstances. On account of the specific plan of the subcase, you'll have simple admittance to all ports, fastens, and highlights of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Don't bother eliminating the case each time you need to charge your telephone or change the volume. This case is intended to offer consistent admittance to every one of the fundamental elements of your gadget. Yet, what separates this case is its complex development utilizing TPU and polycarbonate materials. These strong materials join to make a definitive drop insurance for your iPhone. Whether you inadvertently drop your gadget or it encounters a more huge effect, you can believe that the subcase will give prevalent shock ingestion, keeping your iPhone free from even a hint of harm. 2. Spigen Tough Armor. One of the champion elements of this case is its military-grade assurance, because of the outrageous security tech integrated into its plan. This implies that your iPhone 15 Pro Max will be protected from coincidental drops, nicks, and scratches, keeping it completely safe consistently. However, assurance isn't the main thing this case brings to the table. The Spigen Tough Armor case likewise accompanies an implicit kickstand for sans hand seeing. Whether you're watching recordings, partaking in video calls, or following a recipe while cooking, this kickstand gives a helpful and open-to-review insight. Also, this case is intended to be viable with remote charging and MagSafe embellishments. You can flawlessly charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max without eliminating the case, improving on your charging schedule. Besides, with MagSafe similarity, you can easily join and separate MagSafe frills, improving the usefulness of your gadget. 1. ESR Silicone Case. One of the champion highlights of this case is the safe lock it gives on any MagSafe Extra. The place of the magnets around the camera outline guarantees that they stay stowed when collapsed away, while keeping the MagSafe ring 100% unhampered. This implies you can partake in an unreservedly movable and stable view for watching your #1 shows, regardless of where you are. Strength is a key center with regards to the ESR case. Its strong and solid zinc amalgam development guarantees that the stand stays seeming to be new, even after delayed use. The pivot has been lab tested to hold its solidarity after in excess of 3,000 purposes, so you can believe that it will endure for an extremely long period. Assurance is of most extreme significance for any telephone case, and the ESR case doesn't frustrate. It highlights shock-engrossing air watchman corners that consolidate with raised screen edges and a camera gatekeeper to give test-guaranteed security against drops, nicks, and scratches. You can find harmony of the psyche realizing that your iPhone is very much safeguarded for this situation. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best iPhone 15 Pro Max Kickstand Cases 2023. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.